Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting blender showdown featuring three top contenders: Ninja BN 701, Vitamix 5200, and Breville Super Q. First, the Ninja BN 701 Professional Plus Blender. Known for its power and versatility, it features a 200-watt motor. With Auto IQ technology, it offers preset programs, making blending different recipes easy and efficient for any user. The Vitamix 5200 boasts a 2-horsepower motor and variable speed control, providing silky smooth textures or chunky blends. Its 64-ounce container ensures even blending. However, its higher price and weight may be drawbacks for some. The Breville Super Q blender features a quiet, powerful 800-watt motor, ideal for blending without disturbing the piece. With a sleek design and various settings, it's powerful yet somewhat bulky and costly compared to other models. Ultimately, your choice depends on your needs: budget-friendly Ninja, professional Vitamix, or the quiet Breville. Happy blending!